Dear students, welcome back to your English study class, and today we are going to read about the poem Rain on the Roof, composed by Skin. Now from the title Rain on the Roof, you can understand that the raindrops are pattering over the roof, and the poet is going to depict a vivid description of the pattering raindrops and the sound made by the rainfall. So let us read the poem. When the humid shadows hover. Now what is humid shadows? Humid that is full of moisture. Shadows here means refers to the cloud. Hover means moving around. Over all the starry sphere. What is starry sphere? The starry sphere refers to the sky that is full of stars. And the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. The darkness, according to the poet, the darkness is melancholy or sad, and it sheds its tears as in the form of rainfall. What bliss to praise the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Now the poet considers himself very happy, very blissful, as he is able to lie in his cottage chamber bed, pressing a soft cozy pillow, and he is enjoying the rain which is falling down on the roof or his overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. Now what is tinkle? Tinkle is the ringing sound of something like bangles like that. The poet imagines the sound of falling the rain as the tinkling sound of a bangle. On the shingles, what are shingles? Shingles are the rectangle shaped wooden tiles. Shingles. Has an echo in the heart, makes an repeating. Here echo is referred to the repeating sound of the rain. Has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being stirred. So what is that? And 1,000 dreamy fancies. The poet is a bit sleepy and he is dreaming. In his dream, so many imaginations, so many fancies are crowding up in his mind. Into busy being started. They have started gathering very busily in his mind. And 1,000 recollections wave their ear threads into move. Now, along with the fantasization, the poet is also having started recollecting the memories. Recollection, it refers to memories, old memories. He is reminiscing. And 1,000 recollections weave their ear threads into oof. What is that? What does it mean? Weave their ear threads into oof. Ear threads? हवा की कोई thread होता है? धागा होता है? No, na. It is just an imagination. And the fancies, the imaginations, the recollections, they are waving whoops. What are whoops? Whoops are, what does it mean? The thread that is loomed. It means the oops. So the imaginations are waving the oops in the mind of the poet. Now in memory comes my mother. In the previous stanza, we have read that the poet is recollecting all the old memories. And along with these old memories, here come the memory of his mother. As she used in years ago, बहुत साल पहले, agone, what does it mean? Agone means before or ago. What she used to do? To regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Now what she did, what she used to do? She used to leave the darling dreamer. She considered the poet, the small child as a darling dreamer, and she let him sleep till the daybreak. Now here, ere means before. It is an old poetic language of before. Ere. Oh, I felt her fond look on me as I gazed to the refrain. Now still, the poet can feel the fond, the affectionate look of his mother on him. When his mother used to live with him, now he is no more with him, but still the poet can feel the fond look, the affectionate look of his mother. As he listens to this refrain, as he listens to the refrain, what is least? Least means listen. It is also an old poetic language, list. And refrain means a repeating sound of a part of a particular song or music. Here refrain refers to the sound of the falling of the rain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. ये कैसे create हो रहा है? How the refrain is created? The refrain is created, the music is created when the raindrops are falling on the shingle and the pattering sound of the rain is created. So in a break, the poem is all about, the poet is in his cottage chamber bed. He considers himself very blissful because he is able to praise the cozy pillow and he can enjoy the pattering sound of the rain. But still he feels there are so many people who are not able to protect themselves from the rain and don't have the shelter. The poet, when he listens to the pattering sound of the rain, so many dreamy fancies, so many recollections come to his mind. And along with these all recollections come the recollection, the memory of his mother as well as into his mind. He still can feel the affectionate look of his mother. Here the poet is assimilating his past as well with his present. Because when he listens to the pattering sound which he used to hear long ago when his mother was alive, he is combining these two parts of life together. So this was the poem. Now we will discuss about the rhyming scheme and the literary devices of the poem. In the very first stanza, you can see the rhyming scheme. Is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. How? When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. So here hovers. In the first line, hovers. Second line, spheres. Third line, darkness. And the fourth outline is tears. So you can see spears and tears. B and B. Okay. Next. Water bleeds to praise a pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So, pillow, bed, patter, overhead. So, bed and overhead. These are E and E. Clear? Okay. Now we will discuss about the poetic devices used in the poem. First, the very important poetic device used in this poem or this stanza is alliteration. Alliteration, in all my previous videos, I have told what is alliteration. Alliteration is the use of consecutive consonant words in the line. Like humid and hover. Alliteration. Humid, hover. Ha and ha. Each sound is repeated. Next is
pressure pillow.
Next, water breeze to praise the pillow. Praise pillow. P and P. P sound is repeated. Cottage chamber bed. Cottage chamber. C and C. Cottage chamber. C and C. Next is and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain over it. Lie listening. L. Okay, fine. Now is next poetic device, and that is personification. What is personification? When we are thrusting or applying some human or living things and attributes in some non-living creatures. Like, and the melancholy darkness gently waits in rainy tears. Now, darkness is shedding tears, and shedding tears or weeping is an attribute of the living thing or living creatures. So, darkness, it is a non-living thing, still it is weeping. So, the second poetic device is personification. Which is the stand of personification? And the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Our next important poetic device used in this stanza is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is the sounding word that sounding words, like sounding words. What is that? Here, pattern. Pattern is the sounding word which refers to the sound of the rain. The fourth and most important poetic device in this stanza is transferred epithet. Transferred epithet. What is transferred epithet? Transferred epithet is the poetic device when a particular adjective is used with a noun, but it does not refer to that noun, but it refers something else or some other noun, is called transferred epithet. Like here, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps to rainy tears. Now here, melancholy is adjective, darkness is the noun. Here, but melancholy is not referring to darkness. Melancholy was referring to the lots of people who are suffering outside, who are very sad at the darkness of night. So, this melancholy word refers to those people. So, here it is a transferred. And in the second stanza, again the same rhyme scheme has been repeated. A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. So the rhyme scheme in the second stanza is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. How? Shingles, hard, fancies, start. Now hard and start are rhyming. B. And 1,000 recollections wait their ear threads into oof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Here, recollections, oof, patter, roof. So oof and roof are rhyming. So E and E. So the rhyming scheme here we get is A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. Now poetic devices. In the poetic devices, the first is in the fourth line, into busy being start. Busy and being. B and B. Ba sound repeated. Now, weave their ear thread into oof. Dare and threads. Dare and threads. T and T. Ta. Ta sound is repeated. Now second is a personification. And 1,000 dreamy fancies. Now dreamy fancies into busy being start. Dreamy fancies they're crowding into the mind of the poet. Here also a human attribute or human quality has been applied into a non-living thing. So this is the example of personification. Personification and 1,000 recollections weave their ear threads into oof. Recollections are weaving the oofs. So it is also an instant of personification. Now in the third stanza. Third stanza also follows the same rhyming scheme A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Mother, agone, dreamers, dawn. Agone and dawn are rhyme. B and B. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listened to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patters of the rain. So refrain and rain. These are rhyming. So E and E. Now alliteration. In the very first line we can see memory, my mother. Memory, my mother. Ma, and ma. And sound repeated. Now we can see another instance like I feel her fond look on me. Fa and fa. Feel font. Font. Now again here we can get onomatopoeia. How? Onomatopoeia, I told you the sounding words here, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Patter is the example or the instance of onomatopoeia. So here we comes to the end of this poem Rain on the Roof. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next